Every week, we present a groundbreaking star product. Today, it's the HQ5 Horizontal Machining Center, a high-performance universal yoke designed for precision manufacturing, combining high rigidity, high precision, and high efficiency. In high-precision manufacturing fields such as automobiles, energy, construction machinery, aviation, molds, and precision parts, the performance of machining centers directly determines product quality. The HQ5 is a powerful choice due to its superior rigidity, precision, and automation capabilities. The HQ5 adopts a high-rigidity trapezoidal bed and stepped column, combined with a three-point support layout optimized by finite element method, which improves dynamic performance by 30% and stably supports high-rigidity cutting under 1.2 G acceleration, laying a solid foundation for machining accuracy. Equipped with a high-speed, high-torque electric spindle, with a maximum speed of 15,000 RPM, a peak torque of 350 Nm, and a rated power of 22 kg, it combines high-speed machining with heavy-duty cutting capabilities, easily handling a variety of materials such as aluminum, steel, and cast iron. It adopts SP-grade roller guides and precision ball screws on the XYZ axes, combined with hollow screw cooling technology to effectively suppress thermal deformation. With a positioning accuracy of 3 meters and a repeatability of 1.5 micrometers, high-precision machining can be easily achieved. The HQ5 tool change time is only 1.9 seconds, and the APC automatic pallet exchange system completes the exchange in 6 seconds, reducing non-cutting time by 40%, which greatly improves the efficiency of flexible production of multiple varieties in small batches. The work table can bear up to 800 kg and comes standard with a 70-bar high-pressure cooling system, supporting complex machining such as deep hole drilling and machining, and easily handling large workpieces and difficult-to-machine materials. The HQ5 boasts high reliability with a mean time between failures (MTBF) of 5,000 hours. It offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime remote diagnostic services, providing a solid guarantee for the long-term stable operation of the equipment. From its high-rigidity structure to its high-reliability service, the HQ5 is the preferred equipment for precision machining in multiple industries due to its comprehensive technological advantages. Inquire now to enjoy exclusive offers, helping you efficiently upgrade your production lines and seize manufacturing opportunities.